Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Canning Nana. So if you're not familiar with my channel, being that it's a new year, I think I will describe a little bit of what I'm about and give you a little channel update. So I began about 3 years ago um, as a way to teach more people than I could in my own home how to can and dehydrate and cook recipes. Um, I made recipe books for my kids, which were misplaced or lost or whatever through the years. So I figured that as I retype my recipe book and add to it, um, that I will record myself making different recipes, lots of family recipes. Everything I share on my YouTube channel is either a family recipe of mine or my husband's. Um, uh, Both of our families, or something that has become our family tradition through the year, our family recipes, and are tried and true. So um, I also teach canning. I do dehydrating. I can probably about 80% of our food, um, and I dehydrate probably about 30% right now. It's not very much, but I'm getting there. Um, I have or dehydrated a lot of stuff in the past and don't have that in stock right now. So I'm trying to catch up and I'm trying to do new things that I dehydrate. I have a video out. I put a video out about 3 years ago on what I will and will not can again. What I liked about it, what I didn't like about certain things, and what I will do absolutely again, and what I won't do again, what I won't try. You try and you learn what you like, what you dislike, and the same with dehydrating. I have a video out on what I dehydrate. Um, and I'm going to be redoing those videos since they are 3 years old. Um, Probably this week, hopefully this week. Every time I say that, something gets in the way and I don't complete the video or something happens. So if I say I'm going to do a video and you don't see it out there, something's come in the way and haven't had the time. I do other things besides YouTube. Um, so I'm trying to make this my full-time job right now, and I'm going to focus on this and getting videos out every day. Either canning, dehydrating, gardening, cooking. Um, I do Instapot recipes, I do crock pot recipes, and we are just got an air fryer for Christmas, probably like a lot of you. And I'm going to be trying it out first and getting used to it a little bit, and then sharing some air frying recipes that I've found that are good and that they work, and I will be showing those to you. I also just got an all-American canner just a couple months ago. I have not put it up on video yet. I've not even taken it out of the box yet because I have not had time. That's how little time I've had to do the stuff that I really, really am passionate about, which is food storage, being self-reliant, being prepared in case of an emergency, and teaching you all how to do the same. So, as you can see on my counter, this is what's in store for this week. So I'm going to be dehydrating a lot of stuff. I'm also going to be canning some things. Probably canning a pot roast, leftover pot roast after I make it. I'm going to be making like a pasta fazool Italian bean soup and canning that. I'm also going to be making vegetable stock and putting that on video. And I have done this in the past, not very long ago, but I'm going to do it again. I'm going to be doing it a little bit differently. Also, I have a new ring light on a tripod, which is amazing. And I got a really good deal on that just a month or so ago. So I'm going to be in a lot of the videos, and I'm going to be explaining a lot more things. And taking the time that I need to explain the things as I'm doing them. So as I dehydrate each thing, we're going to be also going over what you can do with your dehydrated foods, what you can do with your canning foods, because that's what's important. So I'm going to be doing celery. I need to to dehydrate more celery. I also can celery. Going to be dehydrating cilantro to make some spices with. I'm in need of some more carrots. I need to have fresh carrots for a recipe that I'll be doing, but I also need to can some more carrots. So that's why that's there. Haven't decided on the cabbage yet, whether I'm going to can it, make coleslaw, or whether I'm going to dehydrate it. I have a lot of dehydrated cabbage. That I do have, and I love to use dehydrated cabbage. It's like the best thing. That, celery, carrots, oh my goodness, so good. And onions, so good. These are the things that you need to have. And this is why I have all these things here. These are the basic things that you want to dehydrate so that you'll use all the time. Because if you're going to dehydrate carrots and celery and onions and cabbage and potatoes, these are the things you're going to be using all the time in your dishes. Lots of soups and stews call for celery, carrots, and onions and mirepoix, which I just did a video on a couple weeks ago, and only made enough for one jar because it was just a demonstration video. So now I need to make more for myself, and have several jars on hand, because when I cooked with it, I made chicken and dumplings, and it was so easy, guys, so easy. Good to have on hand, especially when you don't have any fresh vegetables that you can chop up, which was the case with me. I had no fresh celery. I had canned and dehydrated, and I used both in my recipe. Go look at that. It's the chicken and dumplings recipe that I just did last week. Came out really, really good. I also have some mushrooms. I may try to can these. I know I don't have a lot here, but I do have dehydrated mushrooms, and they're excellent, and I still have a pint of those. So I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with those yet, but I will dehydrate a few just to show you how. And these are Mayan sweet onions. I'm going to be dehydrating these into like onion flakes, onion pieces, I guess, to use in dishes. I have some green onions here, and I'm going to be cutting the green part off and dehydrating that because I use that for chives. And then, of course, I'm going to be planting the end root and have more green onion plants. And I will try to link all these videos that I'm talking about. If you don't know, you buy a pack of green onions once, and you can replant them. You use this up, and then you replant them using about 1/4 inch of the bottom plus the roots down here. And I show you how to do that in one of my videos. It's like a science experiment for the kids. It's really cool. Kids love to do it. It grows super fast, so they can see the results, and the efforts of their labor come to fruition. And it's a really cool thing for kids. But then when you root them, you plant them in your garden. And I will take you guys out to the garden as well, probably next week. I'm still cleaning out the garden, but I do have lots of these green onions that I planted here last year. And I'll show you how big those are. They're probably about 4 foot tall now. And they started just like this. So, and I've used them, and they're delicious. I also have some potatoes. I am going to be dehydrating potatoes and making scallop potatoes with them. These are great to have on hand. I love to have scallop potatoes, dehydrated potato, like a chip, and I have none. I do not have any potatoes that are dehydrated right now, so that's one of the things I'm going to be doing. And then the last thing here is we have a video out, or a couple videos out actually, dehydrating pineapple, fresh pineapple. I am going to be dehydrating pineapple slices. These dehydrate really well. If you've never had dehydrated pineapple, they come out tasting like candy. They are amazing, amazing. Two of the weirdest things to dehydrate taste like a candy. And one of them is pineapple slices, the other is a watermelon slice. Go figure. Really, really good. So these are the things I'm going to be doing. I also have some fresh garlic here. I'm going to be canning some, see, I live in Southern California at the beach. And I have in my garden, I'm still producing zucchini and eggplant and tomatoes. So I have a ton of cherry tomatoes. I have a ton of cherry grape tomatoes. And for the first time, I'm going to learn too. I'm going to pickle tomatoes and learn how to preserve them that way. So that'll be new to me, and that's why I bought this garlic right here. And I have some white wine vinegar back here that I'm going to be using. Here in the background, you see my sourdough starters. These, I have to feed them. I just emptied them into the dehydrator. To do more, I will be packaging those up. I have lots packaged, and I'm trying to get a little bit ahead of the game because I know I've gotten a lot of emails from you guys. A lot of you want it, and I'm going to try to accommodate all of you. And we have a lot of things coming. Last but not least is the 5,500 plus now. Plus, I say because we've been trying to do this for a long time, and now I am 70 subscribers over 5,500, which is amazing, amazing. But I want to give back, and I want to have a contest. So that's why I said it's 5,500 plus. It was supposed to be done at 5,500. Going to be giving away Amazon gift cards, some debubblers, canning debubblers that are personalized, sourdough starters, canning books, dehydrating books, and some other things. So big, big giveaway. Also going to be giving out masks because those are our everyday needs now. Looks like that's going to be around for a while. So I make masks as well, and I'm going to be doing that too. So stay tuned, everybody. Please leave me a comment if you've stayed this long. The giveaway is only open to subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Leave me a comment and let me know how long you've been watching me. That's what I want you to do. And I'm going to start one of the giveaways by having you enter canning 2021 in the comment section after you tell me how long you've been a subscriber. Make sure you're subscribed. If you win and you're not subscribed, you're not going to win. So please be subscribed. Hit that gong, the bell, and this way you're first to be notified of all of the videos that I upload, and you guys get to see what I have firsthand. This is what I do. This is what I enjoy doing. This is my passion, is food storage, food preparation, being prepared. I'm not a prepper. I'm a canner and a dehydrator and a gardener. And I live in suburban America by the beach. I have a small garden. I guess it's small to me, but it's probably about 16 by 20 feet, or maybe 16 by 16 feet. I'll do that. So it's not large, but it's not tiny either. So we produce a lot of our food, and then I can it or dehydrate it. So stay tuned, you guys. Remember, put canning 2021 in the comment section after you tell me how long you've been a subscriber. Okay, so you need to put how long you've been a subscriber. Put I've been a subscriber for how long, and then put canning 2021 as your secret word. Okay, but it has to be in that order. Otherwise, you're not going to qualify. So it pays to stay to the end of the video and watch all the way through so that you know the rules and what I'm going to be giving away. And we'll see what the first prize is, probably an Amazon gift card. So remember, comment section, put how long you've been a subscriber and Canning 2021. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will see you very soon. Have a great day.